Staying at the traditional Balinese-style resort located across the street from Kuta Beach, the Alam Kulkul Boutique Resort. Built in 1989 and recently renovated, it features really spacious rooms, a beautiful garden with 2 swimming pools, making it a pleasure to stay here. As it is a rainy day, we just chilled out at the hotel and now had our dinner at the Nosy Bar restaurant and bar just around the corner. After a short walk, we arrived at the shopping center called Beachwalk on Pantai Kuta and enjoying now our frappuccino at Starbucks. And of course, this is a huge shopping center with many different brand name shops. We also had to drop in at Uniqlo and see what they are offering here. That's for today. Thank you for watching and see you in Let's Go Bali Part 4, where we explore one of Bali's most famous temple.